Hello, welcome back. Today I have a new video for you guys, and on this video we are going to be seeing what's inside the box of a Samsung Galaxy A31. So it will be like a kind of unboxing experience. However, we're not going to go into details, into the specifications and into the function of the phone. Okay, so I have the Samsung Galaxy A31 with me right now, as you can see, and let's unbox it. So as I open the box, it's like a normal standard unboxing experience. Then you have the user manual in here. Oh, they also have included a phone case, which is great. So it's a silicone case, which you do not get very often with smartphones nowadays. Put this on a side. Then you have the phone itself, which you're gonna look into in a bit. A pair of earphones, so it's like an old type of earphones. Okay, and this is a Type-C USB charging cable, and this is great. For that you have a pin ejector in the box, and then you have the power brick. So this is a fast charger. It is a 15 watts fast charger, otherwise you can use 10 watts as well, which is equivalent to 2 amps. Now that we have everything out of the box, let's just turn on the phone and let's see how the phone looks like. So straight out of the package we have the device, and the first thing you'll notice is the beautiful blue color finish at the back. It is a gradient finish, therefore it reflects the light. As you can see, we have the red color, light blue and purple color reflecting at the back. From the side it is very thin. It's not extremely thick, so it is a very good phone. Then when you turn it around, you notice that it has a quad camera system at the back, and it has a single camera unit at the front, and it is a AMOLED Infinity U display, which is a display that is made by Samsung themselves. So far this device is looking amazing. Externally this device is well built and designed. However, the one thing that it will keep away from looking like a premium and flagship phone is that the back is made out of plastic, and also the bezels are a bit thicker than you'll find them in a flagship device. So those are the two things that I wanted to point out. Apart from that, this device looks very good so far from the outside. So on the next video we're going to be exploring the internal specification of this device. So till then, hope you guys stay safe and stay well. My name is Ibrahim, this is Mobile Techland, and I'll see you guys in the next one.